Bang bang, won't stop till we're legends.
We're going to just turn this thing on, because it hasn't been turned on in God knows how long. So let's see if it still works. Right, let's get them. This in here somewhere. There we go, I need that. Oh, battery. Right, battery's in. Moment of truth. Oh, mumps are not running, not a drama. Oh, she's purring. No danger. Never doubted her. Leave her running for a bit after God knows how many months. But it is good to see it running again. Very, very happy. Didn't even struggle remotely to get on. Well, I wish we could have fixed this today, but we haven't got time, so let's get on to the Scirocco and the new bits we brought, eh? Bits. Okay, so I ordered some new brakes for the Scirocco, some Audi RS3 brakes. However, these ones are from a later year, like, I don't know, 2015 I think, and I didn't realise they were different. So there's 4 pads per caliper in these ones, where I need 2 pads. So I'm going to send these ones back, and I have ordered the right ones. I don't know why they're in such a bigger box though. These are in a massive box. It's like Christmas. Oh. Okay, well that's very wasted space, isn't it? But nevertheless, so here are the right ones. Okay, so I mean, to be fair, I think the discs are the same. However, I do prefer how these ones are drilled. There's like that spiral look rather than just kind of, you know, a bit of a pattern. I do prefer how it's spiraled round, and that's like what I've got now. So we'll just chuck them on. So the difference is, we'll get these pads out. Okay, so the difference is, in the 2012 model, which I've got, it's one large pad, as such. And then in the later models, there's 4 small pads, as I said, that go in per caliper, so that's why we ordered it, but I'll just sort of send it all back. But we need to send them back, because at the minute, we are £1,500 down on brakes, and that's a lot of money, so I'm going to get some money back for the ones I don't need. We've also got, to make life easier, this big boy, so a low profile jack. So this will help us get the Scirocco off the ground, but it's also going to mean we can get the MX-5 higher off the ground, so we can fix that when we've got a bit of time too. Right, so this new jack, nice. This is going to be beautiful at track days as well. Just need to assemble this, and then we'll go and put the brakes on the Scirocco. So I'll tie this mess up and meet you back outside. Still super stoked that that turned on after a winter and don't know how many months. Right, I've put like a bit of a sausage. It's the only way I'm going to get this done, so I'm going to stick the GoPro on the door, and we'll just get these brakes changed over. So that's one side done. I didn't film this once because I was figuring out what to do. So I'll get the GoPro on this side, and we'll do a quick talk through about how I'm doing it. Okay, so first I'll just have to take out these pins, take these 2 pins out, then this will come off, then I can wedge a screwdriver in there, get the pads open, take the 2 bolts off at the back, and this will come off, easy days, happy days. I'll get that off and then come back. So these pins are out now. So now you can literally just slide these pads out, but what I'm going to do first is wedge the screwdriver in between just to compress the pistons inside again. First, I'm just taking the lid off the power steering, because now when we push these pistons in, the fluid's got somewhere to go and it's not a vacuum anymore. So the fluid can go back out, otherwise we'd never get them in. So now I've done that, now the piston's back in, these will just slide out. Just give them a bit of a helping hand because there's some that sticky tape on the back of them. So yeah, after a bit of persuasion, these do just come out. So now we'll take the 2 bolts off at the back and just rest this, and then we can take the disc off after taking this bolt out and put the new one on. So what I didn't show you was me struggling to get these bolts at the back off, but I used a breaker bar to get them off. New pads, got an arrow on for the direction in which they should be facing, which way it travels round. Down. And these, peel it off, literally, just slide in. There we go, just slide them in. Spring, I'll tell you what I did from the other side. Right, so what I did, get this right around, feed it in one side, put one in first, and then you can use that one to apply pressure to the spring to get the other one in. And you know it's all in right. Go. And just get them back in position. There we go. That was the other side. Done. It's not too difficult once you know what you're doing, but it's a bit of a faff when you don't. So that's why I did the other side without filming. So then I film this side, so I actually have an idea what I'm doing. It doesn't take too long. So then we got some fresh brakes on. I almost didn't change them because they didn't look like they needed that doing really. But these ones look a lot more worn than the other side. The other side wasn't that worn, but oh well, they're on now, so we won't have to worry about it for a long time. Jack's worked a treat. So drop the wheel back on then, put the little spigot back in. Dun, 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 dun. All sorted. All sorted. Can't believe how dirty the car is just from a couple hour motorway journey. I was p***ing it down with rain. Oh, disgusting. Disgusting. So I have to get it cleaned afterwards then. Don't forget, for fuck's sake, to screw your brake fluid lid back on so you can get that pressure back in. So there we have it, fresh brakes on the Scirocco. Easy as that, once you know what you're doing, which I didn't at first. But no, it's so much easier being able to just take them, take the pads out the top of the caliper. Like all the other pads are a bit of a nightmare, having to readjust like the caliper and stuff to get them out. But no, so after I tested it. This cool pattern came on the discs, which I thought was quite interesting. But as I say, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just like a quick update of how I'm getting on. But as I said, the content stopped because of COVID, and I've been super busy with work. So I'm doing a master's course again. So I've been really busy with that. I'm coming towards the end of it now, and things are starting to open up, so we can get to tracks and stuff. So we're going to try and get the MX-5 fixed as soon as we can, and get back at some more interesting content. I've got a few more ideas for the Scirocco, so there might be some more Scirocco content. And obviously we'll get the MX-5 sorted and get back on the track and just have a bang of a time. But yeah, so I just thought it keep you up to date with potential new content on its way. Is there anything that you guys would want to see? Is there anything that you think would be interesting, or things you'd like to see? If there is, just drop down the comment, or message me on Instagram or something. I'm always happy to just have a go at stuff, especially now things are opening again. We just want to get out there and have fun, and I want to bring you guys along with it. So stay safe, guys. See you soon.
Yo, like and subscribe. This is Callum Gamer with the MX-5.